Hi guys, it's Sterling Spectre here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an NFT and sell it. Before we get into the main part, I'm going to explain what an NFT is and how they work. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible means it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, if you trade Pokemon cards, you could trade a Pikachu for a Blastoise. Because they aren't the same thing, that means they are non-fungible because they are different things. An example of something that is fungible is Bitcoin. Because you can swap Bitcoin for Bitcoin, you will still have the exact same thing, which is obviously Bitcoin. For the most part, NFTs run on the Ethereum blockchain. This means that they are all assigned a place on the blockchain, and in turn, this verifies their uniqueness, as they can't be copied or replicated. Other blockchains do support NFTs, but Ethereum is the biggest one by far. Over the past 2 years, we have seen an explosion of this NFT marketplace, and millions of dollars worth of crypto has been spent on these pieces of art. For example, one CryptoPunks NFT sold for a massive 8,000 Ethereum, which is around $23.7 million. This goes to show that if you create a good NFT, it could be very lucrative for you. Now you're probably wondering how to actually make money on these NFTs. Well, if you were to create one, you can add an artist fee on top of it. This allows you to get a percentage of the price it's sold for. This applies to every time the NFT is sold. For example, if you sold an NFT for $100, you would receive 10% of that, which is $10. Then the next time the person decides to sell it for $1,000, in the future you will earn 10% of that sale as well. So you'll get $100 off that. This means you would make $110. This happens every time your NFT is sold to another user. And this is how people make money off their NFTs. This is why there's a lot of money for those who create NFTs and sell them on the market. In the early days, NFTs were just JPEG images, but they have evolved over the years and now we have a range of different NFTs. You can have videos, GIFs, or even interactive NFTs that you can play old school games on like Pac-Man or Space Invader. So now you guys know what an NFT is, let's get into how to create one. So for this, you're going to need some sort of graphic editor program. There are plenty of them online for free use, and there are plenty of offline softwares. The best free software online would probably be Carping. It offers various tools such as text and background overlays. It's free to use and you can make basic NFTs on there. I'm going to be going over the steps in Photoshop as that's the software I use. But the same simple steps apply in Photoshop as they would in any other graphic editor software. So first we want to decide how big our canvas is going to be for the NFT. Most of the really popular NFTs have a square format, which means the height and width are the same amount of pixels. They can be as big as you want, however, just to keep it simple, we're going to go with a canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now once we have our canvas, you guys can go ahead and put anything you want on it. I'm just going to go with a simple background that is just a fade of some colors and then blurred to make the background look smooth. So I made this using the gradient tool, then input some pastel colors. Then applied it to the canvas and then used the smudge tool to move the flow of the gradient around to look like this. Now the next step is to add something as the foreground. As I said, this can be anything you would like to make a good NFT. So for this one, I'm just going to add the Ethereum logo in like this. Then I'm going to change the layer style so the logo looks like it's part of the background. Lastly, I'm just going to add a stroke effect around the logo so it pops more on the image. So there we have our finished NFT. All we need to do now is save it. Normally I'd save it as a JPEG and make sure the image quality is at maximum, as seen here. This will ensure your NFT is high quality and can be displayed on the marketplace properly. So I put this together in about 2 minutes, as you can see, which goes to show that anybody can create an NFT quickly. Remember, it's all up to what you want to create. I don't expect anybody to buy this because in my opinion I wouldn't buy it, but it's just an example of what you could create. So once you've saved the images, we can start to sell it. Now you have many options when it comes to selling an NFT. There are loads of websites out there. The biggest are Rarible and OpenSea. They work in the same way, but I feel it's easier to work on OpenSea. So today we're going to be using that to sell it. The first thing you want to do is create an account. Once you have an account, you'll need to set up a wallet. This wallet will allow you to hold Ethereum so you can mint NFTs and also hold NFTs in the wallet. OpenSea allows for various different wallets, but we're going to be using MetaMask, as it's easy to set up and can be used in a browser extension. So to set up your MetaMask wallet, firstly you need to go to the MetaMask website and click on download. You can get this wallet on your phone, but we're going to be choosing the Chrome install. Now once you click this, it should take you to a Chrome install page, and once here just click add extension to Chrome. Now to open the extension, you want to click on this little fox on the top of your browser. Then you want to run through the setup. This will just bring you through wallet keys, which I don't want to show on YouTube. Once you have set up your wallet, you want to click on the Connect Wallet button on OpenSea and then select MetaMask. It will ask you to confirm it in the wallet. Just click Confirm button and your wallet should be ready to go. The last step to minting your NFT is to buy some Ethereum. Now I would say you'll want to buy around $30 of Ethereum. This allows for you to cover your gas fees and the minting price. So you can get your Ethereum from any crypto exchange. Binance and Coinbase are the most popular, so I'd suggest using them. Now once you have bought your Ethereum, you'll want to transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. You'll want to click the deposit tab on your exchange and then input your MetaMask wallet address. You can find this by going to MetaMask Chrome extension, and it should display your wallet address here. You can then copy and paste it into your deposit page. It then should send this to your wallet. Now all the setup is done for your account. We'll want to mint the NFT. So from the OpenSea homepage, just go to the top right and click on Create. Now drag your NFT into this box at the top. You want to name the NFT. I'm going to name this one Spectre because it's my last name, but you can name it whatever you want. So if you have a website page about your NFT, then you can put this in the link here so people can learn more about your NFT collection. Next, you want to add a description of maybe how you made your NFT and what gave you the inspiration for it. Below that, you can choose to add it to a collection. So if you're minting multiple NFTs, then you can add this to your collection here. Also below that, you can specify how many you want to mint. In these tabs, you can also add further content to your NFTs. For example, if you have a Discord server that is only for your NFT buyers, then you can put the unlockable content tab here. This is why NFTs are becoming a mainstream thing. It's because people are selling a membership through these NFTs. For example, the Nelt Boys have set it up so when you buy one of their meta cards, it gives you access to full send merch and even invites to parties and other stuff like that. This is a great way to grow a community and give back to the people who have bought your art. Lastly, you can pick what blockchain you want to mint your NFT on. Seeming we have already bought Ethereum, we're going to be using the Ethereum blockchain. Then you want to click Create and it will create your NFT. Now this is currently not minted, so the last step is to click on the Sell button. This is where you mint it onto the blockchain. So you list the item for amount of Ethereum. I'm just going to go with 50 cents. Next you set how long the NFT will be for sale. And then next you can click on complete listing and follow the steps through the wallet. And then once you've confirmed the listing, it will mint your NFT for you. Right now the gas fees are very high, so I'd wait until the gas fees are lower to mint your NFT because it will be cheaper. Once it's been minted, you can search for the NFT name in the search bar and it should display the NFT you've minted like this. Personally, I'm not an NFT artist, so I won't be making a collection, but if any of you guys want to make an offer, I'd be happy to sell it to you. As you can see here, I've got another NFT that I created a while back just to test out how to use the website. Lastly, to earn a percentage from your NFT, you want to go over to collections and then you want to click on the edit page. If you scroll down, you'll find a creator earnings bar. This is where you input a percentage of sale for your NFT. This means that anytime your NFT is sold, you'll get a cut of that transaction. So if you input a transaction fee here, let's say 5%, this means you get 5% of any transaction through the NFT. Then you want to input your wallet address here so they can send you the percentage fee. And now I'm not sure when these get paid out, but I assume it's either once a week or once a month. So make sure you input this fee or you won't get paid for the sales of your NFT. Now if you guys are struggling with any of these steps in the videos, you can feel free to join my Discord server. I'll try help you guys out in there. The link for that is in the description and it's the top link. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.